Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I'm also fine, very fine. So, we are now studying, we are now actually revising the portions there, the chapters there. So, many questions you are asking in the online classes, we are discussing there also. You should come, you all should come, you all should remain present there because we are knowing there that questions can be solved in 1, 2, or 3 ways also. Okay, so here is that the next class we are having our next class here, and it is now we are just going to discuss about this. Okay, so here we are having this. Wait a minute. Coordinate geometry. Okay, this is the topic of discussion today. We are going to discuss about the coordinate geometry. And what is that? Okay, the analytic geometry is called coordinate geometry. Okay, and it is the study of geometry using a coordinate system. You know what is coordinate system? In class 9 we have read also that a plane having a pair of numbers, that is x and y, so that is called coordinate system. X is called the abscissa, y is called the ordinates there. Okay, and analytic here is that this geometry is used in physics and engineering, in aviation, rocketry, and space there. Rocketry is also there, in that we need coordinate geometry almost in our daily life also. Suppose we have to go somewhere, so used to denote with some coordinates. Okay, so this is called coordinate geometry. But here in class 10 we have to read about distance formula. So what is distance formula? So distance formula has been derived with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and it is used to find the distance between any two given points. Okay, and these points are crafted on x and y coordinate plane there. Okay, so what is the distance formula? Distance formula is, this is the distance formula. Okay, that is under root x2 sorry under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is called coordinate geometry's distance formula there. Okay, if I can explain this with a figure, you can see that also. This will be 2 points. Okay, this is point A and this would be point B. Its coordinates will be x2 and y2, and these coordinates will be x1 and y1, and then we have to use this formula. So we can find what? We can find this distance, this whole distance we can find by using this one only. Okay, so now this is distance formula, and one more important formula is there. You know what is that? That is called section formula. Okay, what is section formula? So section formula is used when a point, that is C, divides a segment AB in the ratio m is to n. Okay, this is the line there. Okay, and then one point will be here C, this will be the lines B and A, and the ratio will be m is to n. So this is called section formula when we have to find the coordinate of this point C there. Okay, see here. So this section formula is used to find the coordinate of point C. As I have explained this, that point means we have to find the coordinate of point C. And actually we have two types of section formulas, internal and external. External we don't have to study. In this class 10 we have to use only internal section formula. Okay, what is that formula? See, this is the formula. That figure has been explained here, that statement has been explained here with this figure. And see, this is the point A. I've also explained you A, B, and this is the point C here. Okay, then what is the coordinate of point C? So this is the first coordinate. Okay, and that green one is the second coordinate. Okay, and you know that this is where the x has been used is the x coordinate, and where the y has been used, this is the y coordinates. Okay, so the formula is mx2. See here, this is the formula of this encircled one, is the formula of x coordinate of point C, that is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. And this one, this second encircle here, I am encircling that, this one, this is the formula of y coordinate of point C. So remember, these all things you have to learn only, you have to keep in your mind and you have to apply in the questions there. Okay, this is as far as the coordinate geometry is concerned. We have to rely on these two formula, distance formula and section formula. Okay, formulas are given here. Now we are going into mensuration part of the circle there. These are the parts of the circle. See, there will be tangent, secant, then we have chord, we will be having diameter, we have in radius, and arc, the continuous part on the circle. Okay, so one by one we'll discuss the important formulas of this topic of the circle. Whenever circle will be there in the class 10, we have two types of circle. One is in geometry, one is in that mensuration. Here is that geometry part. Okay, so in this, first of all, we would find the sector. You know what is the sector? The region bounded between the two radius and the length of arc. So this whole region is called sector, and the formula is area of sector is equal to pi r square theta by 360. Okay, this is in degree. Okay, this is the area of sector. Okay, theta is in degree here. Okay, then we have arc. What is arc? You know very well what is arc. Arc is called the continuous part on the circle. Here in this figure we are discussing about this part here, this part. Okay, what is the formula? So this is the formula. That formula is 2 pi r theta by 360. What is the r? R is the radius, theta is the central angle. Here is that theta, you can see this is the central angle made at the center between the two, by this arc and between these two radius there. So this formula we have to apply in the questions there. Then one more thing is there, segment. Okay, what is the segment? So this shaded part is called segment. Okay, that means the area enclosed between the chord, okay, chord AB, and this arc AB. Okay, so this blue part is called segment, and that area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Okay, this is called, this is OAB. Here is that OAB, this triangle. Okay, so by using this formula we can find the area of the segment. And what is that area of triangle? That is, that area of triangle is 1 by 2 r square sine theta. Here the theta is 60 degree. Okay, so by using this we can find the area of triangle OAB. And area of sector formula already you are knowing what is that. So it is that area of sector formula. Here is this pi r square theta by 360. By using this we can find the area of the segment. So these are the main important formulas of that mensuration chapter of the circle. You have to remember this all. And then comes concentric circle. Then comes the concentric circles. What are those circles? You are very well aware of that. The region between the two concentric circles of different radii is called an annulus, or it is called ring also. Okay, and they have, concentric circles have a common center. Okay, what is that? See in this figure, this figure is concentric circle. Okay, see, we have one big circle here, then we have one small circle here, we have one common center here. This is the small radius and this is the big radius, and this is how that concentric circles are called here. And this part is called ring. This part is called ring, and you are knowing that area of ring is very good, that is pi r square minus pi r square. Okay, area of big circle minus area of small circle. This is the area of this part. Okay, area of ring. Okay, so this is how what these topics were in this part. We have discussed, we have done, and we are knowing also. So now this video will help you in solving the questions. You can just try to solve the questions there. In the next class we'll learn something new. Till then, all of you take care. Thank you class. Thank you very much.